Hey guys, it's breakfast time and today we're making up a cheesy bacon and egg rice casserole. Absolutely delicious, so let's get cooking. Okay, let's begin by frying up our bacon. And I don't know about you, but I just love the smell of bacon frying, especially in the morning. And we're just going to fry this up until it's semi-crisp or crispy, whatever type of bacon you prefer. I like mine a little bit on the crispy side, but it's up to you. Now our bacon is basically done. I'm just going to set this aside. I'm just going to set this aside on a plate. This is about the way I like my bacon, just like this. And look who the smell of frying bacon woke up. Next up, what I've got here is 3 cups of rice that I cooked up last night. And if you don't want to use rice, you can use pasta like macaroni, anything like that. And to this, I'm going to add an egg yolk. Grind in about, I'd say half a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of ground black pepper, one of my all-time favorites. And about another teaspoon of garlic powder, depending on how anti-vampire you are. You can add extra spices too if you like, or seasoning I should say. Grab up my handy dandy spatula and we'll just mix this until everything is nicely combined. Now what you want to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Put the rice in. And we'll just fry this up until it's heated through. I love fried rice. Now the rice is beautifully heated through. I'm going to kill the heat. And we're going to transfer this into the bottom of the baking dish. And of course, use the dish of your choice. Spread this out a little bit. That's about perfect. I love me rice. Alrighty then, let's make up our white sauce. And to do this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter to a pan of medium-low heat. And we'll just let this melt down. Followed by 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we'll just stir and let this cook down until kind of a roux forms. That's very roux of you. Now in with 3/4 of a cup of milk. And this is just 2% milk. And a whisking we will go. After about a minute it's thickened up, so I'm going to add in another 3/4 of a cup. And continue to whisk until it thickens once again. Once it's smooth, silky, and a bit thick, I'm going to add in some cheese. And this is just a mixture of orange and white cheese. And I'd say about, half, 3/4 of a cup. And whisk once again until it becomes smooth and that cheese is melted in there. Oh, this is so good. Kill the heat, and there you have it, my friends. Our smooth, silky, white, cheesy sauce. Absolutely incredible. And just look at this. I mean, it's just about great with anything, even mac and cheese. Now we will spatula that white, creamy cheese sauce. The spatula's a verb, I don't know. Over top of the rice. And you can see where this is headed here. Absolute deliciousness. Now I'm going to go ahead and crack 3 eggs over the top. Now I'm going to use 3 here, but you can use 4, whatever you like. Now you've probably guessed it, I'm just going to gently place some bacon over top. I'm getting hungry here just looking at this, guys. Okay, now some mozzarella cheese over the top. Now I'm using mozzarella, you can use cheddar, whatever you like here. I just want mozzarella so it's ooey gooey. Now we're going to slip this into a 425 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 14 or 15 minutes. After about 14 minutes, there you have it, my friends. Our cheesy bacon and egg rice casserole. Just simply delicious. Garnish this up with some green onions, and there you have it. Okay, let's dig in here, guys, and see what we have. Just look at this, guys. The egg, the bacon, the cheese sauce, the rice. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay, let's dig in and taste this. This is actually spectacular. I just love the cheese sauce. The egg is still runny. Bacon is so good. You gotta make this. This is good. Just love it.